Adding leafy greens to your smoothie not only turns your smoothie into our very favorite color, but has so many benefits to your physical well-being. First is enhanced nutrient absorption. Green vegetables like kale, spinach, collard greens, and lettuce are nutrient powerhouses. When blended in a smoothie, the nutrients in these leafy greens are released and readily absorbed into the bloodstream. Second is increased energy. With enhanced nutrient absorption, you become invigorated and energized. Third is improved digestion. Smoothies, as opposed to juices, utilize the whole fruits and veggies that go into them. The abundant fiber in leafy greens, when consumed in a hydrating smoothie, will help you reach optimal digestibility. Fourth is boost your immune system. Loaded with phytonutrients, leafy greens strengthen your immune system and help you stave off illness all year long. Fifth is healthy bones. Dark leafy greens are rich in calcium and vitamin K, which is necessary in ensuring calcium reaches your bones and not your tissues. Sixth is heart health. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin A and C, greens in smoothies can significantly lower cholesterol, decreasing your risk of heart attack or stroke. Seventh is get that glow. Full of antioxidants, green smoothies reduce the signs of aging as well as hydrate your skin. Eighth is consume those veggies without even realizing it. Most people struggle to get enough greens, which are excellent sources of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll replenishes and rebuilds red blood cells, rejuvenating your body. Ninth is reduce unhealthy cravings. When you consume whole, unprocessed, nourishing foods, you naturally start to crave those healthy foods over unhealthy sweet, salty, and fatty ones. 10th is mind over matter. Believe it or not, consuming green smoothies make you more likely to engage in other healthy habits, because the human mind thrives on consistency. One healthy habit leads to another. So after adding kale or spinach to your smoothie, you may be more likely to try out that yoga class you've been thinking about, or opt for a side salad instead of fries when eating out.